Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best permanent magnet generators? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best permanent magnet generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. 10 kW 20 kW low-speed permanent magnet generator. This 10 kW per 20 kW low-speed permanent magnet generator, PMG, is a versatile power solution for a wide range of applications, including wind turbines, hydroelectric systems, and customized energy projects. Engineered for high efficiency and durability, this generator delivers consistent, reliable power at low RPMs, ideal for renewable energy setups where stability and longevity are key. With output options of single-phase 110V/220V or 3-phase 240V/380V, it adapts easily to various voltage requirements. Its permanent magnet technology ensures minimal energy loss and superior performance, while the low-speed 300 RPM design extends operational life, reduces noise, and lowers maintenance demands. Constructed with high-quality materials, including robust bearings and precision windings, this PMG is built to withstand tough environmental conditions. The generator's compact design offers seamless integration into different energy systems, supporting both residential and commercial applications. Whether you're powering a small farm, off-grid cabin, or an industrial site, this 10 kW per 20 kW PMG provides a stable, efficient, and eco-friendly power source. With a commitment to energy independence and sustainability, this generator is an excellent choice for those seeking dependable, long-term energy solutions. Top 2. Marsrock 300W12V24V Low RPM NdFeb PMG Rare Earth Permanent Magnet Generator. The Marsrock 300W12V/24V Low RPM NdFeb Permanent Magnet Generator is an excellent choice for DIY wind turbine enthusiasts and small-scale renewable energy projects. Designed for horizontal-axis wind turbines, this generator harnesses the power of the wind with high-efficiency NdFeb, neodymium iron boron, rare earth magnets that ensure strong, stable output even at low wind speeds. Operating at low RPMs, the Marsrock PMG is ideal for wind turbines where consistent energy generation at low rotational speeds is essential. It offers 12V or 24V output options, providing flexibility for a range of applications, such as battery charging systems, off-grid cabins, RVs, or small energy setups. Crafted with durability in mind, the Marsrock generator features corrosion-resistant materials and a compact, lightweight design that's easy to install and maintain. Its low starting torque ensures efficient energy conversion with minimal resistance, while the smooth and quiet operation makes it perfect for residential or remote locations. Whether you're an energy enthusiast building your own windmill or a homeowner looking to reduce your carbon footprint, the Marsrock 300W PMG offers a reliable, eco-friendly solution for generating clean, renewable energy. Top 3. 1000W 2000W 3000W 5000W 12V 24V 48V Coreless Rare Earth Permanent Magnet Generator. The 1000W 5000W Coreless Rare Earth Permanent Magnet Generator, PMG, is a high-performance alternator designed for DIY wind turbines, small hydro setups, and custom renewable energy projects. Built with cutting-edge Coreless technology and NdFeb rare earth magnets, this generator delivers exceptional efficiency, reduced cogging, and ultra-low startup torque, perfect for low wind speed areas and off-grid energy solutions. Available in 12V, 24V, and 48V output options, it supports a wide range of power needs, from small battery charging systems to larger energy storage applications. The Coreless stator design minimizes internal resistance and heat buildup, extending the life of the generator and ensuring smooth, quiet operation even at low RPMs. This generator's maglev, magnetic levitation, design further reduces friction, resulting in higher output and lower wear over time. With its robust, weather-resistant construction, it's built to withstand harsh outdoor environments, making it ideal for long-term, maintenance-free operation in remote or off-grid setups. Whether you're powering a home, cabin, or mobile energy system, the 1000W 5000W Coreless PMG is a reliable and efficient solution for harvesting renewable energy from the wind, helping you achieve energy independence and reduce your carbon footprint. Top 4. AC generator 5 kW 10 kW 20 kW 220V 230V 240V 380V single phase. This 5 kW, 10 kW, 20 kW low RPM permanent magnet AC generator, PMG, is a robust and efficient power solution for residential, commercial, and renewable energy applications. Designed to deliver stable single-phase, 220V, 230V, 240V, or 3-phase, 380V output, it's ideal for off-grid power systems, wind turbines, hydroelectric setups, and custom energy projects. Utilizing rare earth permanent magnets, this generator ensures high efficiency, consistent output, and long operational life. The low RPM design, typically under 300 RPM, allows for energy generation at minimal rotational speeds, making it a perfect match for wind and water turbines. The result is low startup torque, reduced mechanical wear, and quiet operation. The generator's industrial-grade construction features corrosion-resistant materials, precision bearings, and a compact design for easy integration. Whether you're powering a home, a farm, or a workshop, this PMG is engineered to deliver reliable energy even in demanding environments. With versatile voltage options and a commitment to quality, the 5 kW 20 kW low RPM PMG offers a dependable solution for your energy needs, helping you harness the power of nature while reducing your carbon footprint. Top 5. 2000W Permanent Magnet Generator. The 2000W Permanent Magnet Generator, PMG, two-wheel motor is a reliable, efficient power solution designed for charging batteries and powering lights in agricultural vehicles such as tractors, harvesters, and utility carts. Featuring a high-performance permanent magnet design, this generator offers stable power output, low energy loss, and enhanced efficiency perfect for farm environments where consistent energy is essential. Built for durability, this PMG motor is designed to withstand tough agricultural conditions, including dust, vibrations, and temperature fluctuations. Its two-wheel motor configuration ensures smooth, balanced operation, while the compact, lightweight design makes it easy to install in a variety of vehicle systems. Delivering 2000 W of power, this generator is ideal for charging batteries used for electric tools, pumps, and lights, while also supporting onboard lighting systems for nighttime operations in the field. The low starting torque and efficient energy conversion enable it to perform well even at lower speeds, making it ideal for agricultural use where variable RPMs are common. Whether you're looking to improve efficiency, reduce fuel consumption, or support a more sustainable farm operation, this 2000W PMG motor is a smart, eco-friendly choice for modern agriculture.